on their knee, like the children, because for the children it's fun to go on their knee and shine it, you know. There. Oh, it's hard.
Oh, wow.
Like this. You go here. This one is easy.
Oh, so good.
See? Yeah, because I was hitting it so much. So it's already loose.
Oh, with the hammer.
Yes.
Oh, so you can kind of loosen it up. So
it
this
can
process
loosen up,
easier.
depends on the coconut.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sometimes they have attitude, as we've seen. Push hard when you go down, soft when you go up.
Yeah. Need the cream. And the other, we can use water or we can use a light milk.
Okay. Yeah. So we're reusing the pulp and then blending it again.
I'm blending it again.
And it'll be a bit
lighter.
lighter.
So you get light coconut milk. This one is rich coconut milk.
Okay. I'm cutting the root veggies and cleaning them. Tequisque. So we added the root veggies, big, into the coconut milk one, and the coconut cream one is just chilling. Okay, cutting the carrots different ways, just for fun. She added the plantain at the end. Add the hard veggies first. In the coconut cream one once it starts pumping up.
Look at the colors.
Oh, gorgeous. Love it. Different layers. So.
Yeah, different layers.
Okay.
And then we put some soy sauce.
Okay.
We put black pepper and cumin. Yeah. Optional. To make it. If not, you can skip and put any other season that you like. And we cover it and low heat and let it simmer. And making a gravy. Rundown gravy.
Okay.
Yo tengo dos.
See? Two different recipes from the same what left over. That's what our parents teach us, and we never throw away food, but we never eat the same thing.
I love it.
Like the same thing but different way.
Beautiful.
This is the last
Oh my
part of it.
gosh.